Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the world premiere of Muppets Haunted Mansion. I'm Leigh Slaughter, Vice President of the Muppets Studio, and I am so excited to welcome you all here this evening. Before I introduce you to a few very special guests, I'd like to thank everyone on the cast and crew for their tireless efforts bringing this special to life. To our guest stars, Will Arnett, Yvette Nicole Brown, Darren Criss, Taraji P. Henson, John Stamos, and to all of those wonderful cameos you'll spot throughout the special, thank you for being part of this production. You are now part of the Muppet family. A very big thank you to our partners at Disney Plus and Disney branded television for your encouragement and support. And also to Walt Disney Records, who will be releasing Muppets Haunted Mansion EP tomorrow, featuring the songs of this special. Thank you to our partners at Soapbox Films and the team at Walt Disney Imagineering and Disney Parks, who supported us and guided us through the mythology of the iconic Haunted Mansion attraction. The Muppets Studio team, and of course the incredibly talented Muppet performers. To Bill Beretta, Kirk Thatcher, Kelly Younger, and Jim Lewis, thank you for this incredible adventure. The Muppets have a rich history of seasonal content, and we are thrilled to bring you the Muppets' first ever Halloween special. And we can't wait for the fans to see it tomorrow, October 8th, on Disney Plus. And now it is my great pleasure to introduce you to the stars of Muppets Haunted Mansion, the great Gonzo and Pepe the King Prawn.
Oh, yeah.
Gracias.
Well, thank you, Leigh.
Sí. You know I loved you, Leigh. You made my dreams come true.
Pepe, what are you doing?
I love Leigh. She sends our paychecks.
Leigh, I need to talk to Pepe about something. Would you please excuse us?
Sure thing. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, Leigh.
What are you doing?
Actually, Pepe, your paycheck came from Disney Plus.
Oh. Well, I love Disney Plus so much.
Are you done with this shameless pandering?
For now, for now.
All right. Well, thank you, everybody, for joining us here at the world premiere of Muppets Haunted Mansion.
Sí. During the movies, I will be going from car to car, collecting your monies. So please have exact change, okay?
Pepe. We are not charging these people to be here.
Ay, another missed payday. Unbelievable.
All right. We are here to share Muppets Haunted Mansion, the incredible story of the biggest challenge of my entire career.
Sí, and the biggest part of my career. No more supporting roles. Today, I am the star, and I will finally get to go to the real Hollywood parties.
Pepe, get a grip. This is a Hollywood party.
Oh, I thought they'd have nicer cars.
Oh, well, and now, please sit back in your own personal doom buggies.
I get it, doom. You said doom baggies.
Doom buggies, and have fun watching Muppets Haunted Mansion.
Sí, and don't forget to watch it again, starting tomorrow on Disney Plus. Never turn it off. Just keep watching over and over and over again.
Thank you all for coming.
See, and if you're ready to see the movie, honk your horn!
Honk your horns! Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Hasta la Halloween.
Let's watch the movie.